I think the forests have always inspired my work. I moved to Colorado in 2003 and the forest became this gateway into another landscape. Like you had to go through these thick forests to get into the high alpine and to then summit those peaks. My name is John Fellows. I'm an artist, designer, and illustrator based in Crested Butte, Colorado. The main medium I work in is linoleum block carving. I carve and print everything by hand. For me, the skin up in the backcountry it's a time of reflection. You're not thinking about emails, work, text. You really can clear your head. You're just present in the moment and what's around you. And it just becomes this creative, re-energizing. I'm looking at the landscapes around me and seeing hills or peaks or even trees that I want to sketch or bring into a piece. Working with brands such as Zeal, Weston, and Smartwool has been great because finding companies and people that share the same beliefs as you just makes work that much better. I think it's important to protect public lands, and I hope this collaboration just helps raise awareness for the National Forest Foundation and what they're doing. Then at the very least, it helps the public and the people buying these products think what they can do personally to help preserve our forests. Not just for our enjoyment today, but for future generations to come. Even the smallest action can help.